y'all see where we at, man.
So you see the whip is, pretty dirty. Dirty as fuck. And you feel me? I figured today we can't keep being dirty as fuck no more, you feel me? We gotta get this bit cleaned up. Look at the rims, dirty as shit. All this pollen, dirty as fuck. Doo-doo stain. So yeah, look at all that pollen. We got a lot of cleaning to do, so. Rims dirty as fuck all around. Hella pollen and shit built up. You see, this bitch still look good as fuck though. God damn. That shit's still hard. But yeah, we just gotta get this motherfucker cleaned up, so we're gonna get this thing started for sure. Alright, YouTube, so for the first thing we're gonna do is set this to low pressure, pre-soak, and then obviously we're gonna go ahead and soak down the whole car. You know what I'm saying? Get a good couple clear coats on that, soaking this bad boy down, all the rims, everything, soak it all the way. And I'm gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, the whole process as we go along and things like that, and things of that nature, you feel me? And then we're gonna move on to the next steps. All right, now that we got that clear coat, we wanna go to the high pressure soak. All right, now once you have a nice clear coat all around the whole car, you want to set things to foaming brush now. See what it is, man. Nice and clean, man. So
Feel me? Just gave y'all a wonderful walkthrough tutorial. If y'all could drop a like, subscribe, you feel me? Follow me on the gram, all that good shit. And yeah, let's get out of here. Give y'all a quick little walkthrough real quick though. I don't know why I'm acting scared to show you the 30-day plates. My real plate's about to come in, so fuck that. This bitch is too clean though. Whew. Too clean, boy. Too fucking clean, boy.